Pastor Joseph Macharia and the organizing committee invites you to a special and powerful event, the official book launch authored by himself entitled How to Receive Divine Success. Join us on April 5th, 2025 at 1 p.m. at 1636 South 330th Federal Way, Washington 98003 as we celebrate not just a book but 40 years of faithful service to God by Pastor Joseph Macharia. This incredible event will feature anointed servants of God and gospel music ministers, including Bishop Dr. Joe Bright Baraka, Pastor Charles Oshira, a renowned gospel artist and lead pastor of JCM Seattle, Pastor Peter Mugwanja, Evangelist Danny Kioko, commonly known as Movango, Joan Mushangi, a guitarist, Gary Wainaina, and Msoke, gospel artist from Washington. The presiding minister will be Bishop Dr. Isaac Degwa, while the master of ceremony will be Bishop Dr. Andrew Muthemba. The colorful event is being coordinated by Carrier Prestige, CEO, Pacific Waves Media. GOC Zion Voices Choir will also be present to entertain guests with their beautiful melodies. This is a moment of divine inspiration and celebration that you don't want to miss. For more information and to show your support, contact Rev.Joseph Macharia at 480-708-6956. You can also send your appreciation and financial support via Zelle or Cash App using the same number. Mark your calendars, spread the word, and come to be part of this divine encounter. You are all welcome.